churning of Milky Ocean is very nicely depicted in Thailand airport, international airport, Swarnabhumi airport. Mahavishnu is standing on the mountain. He is controlling the mountain, and he is as a Kurma avataram he took. This was second avataram in the Dashavataram, Kurma avataram, and he is holding the mountain without drowning in the Milky Ocean. Mahavishnu on the mountain and under the mountain also controlling the Mantara mountain. Devatas are standing and they are holding the tail of the Vasuki snake, and all the Asuras, they are holding the head side of the Vasuki. They are churning the Milky Ocean to get the Amritam from the Milky Ocean. Avyasur Bhuvanatrayi Maniprutam Kanduyanairadrina Nidranasya Parasya Kurmavapusho Nishvasavatorvayaha Yadvikshepana Samskruto Datibaya Prenkola Paryankika Nityarohana Nivruto Viharate Devasahaiva Shriyaha. This is the slokam by Vedanta Desikar in the Dashavatara slokam about this Kurma Avataram.